Yo, what is up everyone? I'm GChrisFX bringing you guys a new video, and in today's video we're going to be covering 3 tips for car cinematics. So let's get started.
I ain't tryna bring you down, but for real, you might as well give up now. Think you got a chance, but I don't see how. Got a real tight grip when I hold that crown. My life been good and bad and all around. The more things I lost, the more I found. One thing I taught myself to do, no matter the problem, refuse to lose. So, how you want it, man? You can choose. If you can't take the heat, don't light the fuse. See, I walk in slow and ignite the room. Like fire, everything I touch, I consume.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little sequence that I put together for you guys. Let's cover the 3 tips in this video. The 3 tips in this video are going to be story, variety, and sound. Reason why I chose these 3 are because they're going to make a huge impact in your videos. So let's get started. Story is going to be key for your videos to change from 0 to 100 real quick, guys. Now, when I say this, I don't mean to tell a story like a book, right? It's not going to be once upon a time, my GTR, blah, blah, blah. No. When I say story, I mean it needs to have a beginning, a middle, and an end. So, for example, the beginning can be one location, and the end can be the second location. The middle could be it driving there, right? So that already tells a story instead of just having a shot of a car, right? It needs to tell a story. It has more of an impact for your viewers to see. Alright guys, tip number 2 is going to be variety. Now with variety, I mean variety. Shoot any and every part of the car, as many shots as possible. Just kidding, don't do that. You're going to overwhelm yourself and you're not going to want to finish the film. What I would recommend is to actually get a shot list, whether it be idle shots, roller shots, action shots. Have an X amount of shots that you want, so that way it's not overwhelming in the post-editing process. For idle shots, what I recommend is full body and details. Limit yourself to a very few amount so that way you can actually get the video done. As time goes on, you can extend that list, and if not, you can keep it the way you like it. Just up to you on your editing process. For the action shots, I recommend getting rollers, the gear shifting, the lights turning on, stuff like that of the car actually doing something. Those are all considered action shots, which is way more engaging than the car just standing still or sitting still or parked. The last variety shot, guys, I recommend is getting a drone. If you don't have a drone, don't worry, it's fine. You can either get stock footage or just get B-roll of the surrounding. But if you do have a drone, what you can do is track the car moving or just get some shots of the city or whatever scenery you're around. For tip number 3, guys, it's going to be sound. Sound includes music and sound effects, right? The music is super important for your film because it's going to drive the whole video. Choosing the right song, guys, is super important. This is what's going to determine the watch time on your videos and your interactions. So be sure to choose the right song or else you're just not going to get watch time. As far as the sound effects, guys, I would recommend getting whoosh sounds, risers, environmental sounds as well. I'm actually subscribed to a website called Epidemic Sound, and they have insane amounts of sound effects, guys. I would recommend them. This video is not sponsored by them. I actually use it and I enjoy it. Most importantly, get the sound of the car. The car is literally the whole video. So because of that, you want to get the sound of the car because yes, you have the visuals down, but you also need the sound. Sound is half the battle, guys, so make sure you get the sound of the car. Well guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Remember, the 3 tips in this video are going to be the story, variety, and sound. Those 3 are going to make the biggest changes in your videos. So let me know if that helps, and if not, let me know what I could do better in the comment section down below. With all that said and done, guys, have yourself a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this. And don't forget to please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.
Came here ready to fight on this night. You better just run for your